Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, heated seats, power driver's seat, keyless entry, power passenger seat, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.